Time to put your RAG data loader into production. This is a tutorial for you. It shows how to use Timescale Vector and Llamaindex to build production-ready RAG data loader on Robocorp. The tutorial itself in our portal is super self-explanatory, goes through every detail of deploying your Python code on Robocorp's zero setup infrastructure. So you can run the data loader in our cloud. You can also set it up in your self-hosted environments if you so wish. So jumping straight into the code, you can see that there's a couple of cool things. So first of all, the task decorator indicates a runnable or the entry point for the Robocorp task that you are going to run. We also show how to use Robocorp Vault for storing the secrets, so that any runtime wherever that happens will safely get your OpenAI key and Timescale vector database service URL. What I really want to show is this part here. So for the inputs, so those files that you want to read and create the vector embeddings of and add into the database, we use Robocorp work items. It means that with various ways, whether it's an API or manual input or even email, just with these two lines, you actually get those inputs to your data loader and then can process further. Jumping over to Robocorp control room. So I've connected my code to GitHub to control room. So whenever I do some changes, they auto-publish here. I've created my process, and within the configuration under schedule, you could also run it on schedule every day, every night, every week, or every hour. That's also possible. But I have this email address. I have an email already created here, and I have a file here. You can also put multiple files, different formats. Let's say embed this and send and instant send so that we get it there. And soon you will see the process starting to run. And what happens is that the document that you emailed as an attachment will soon be a new part of your vectors embeddings database within Timescale Vector. Now it's running and soon it's done. Check out the full tutorial, ask us questions and leave us feedback, and see you soon again.